Hey there friends, welcome back. I'm Heather and today I've got another 10-minute body burn workout for you. If you've been following along this month, we've already had 2 of them. Our first focus was on lower body, we got to our upper body on the next, and today is a full body cardio blast body burner. All you need is your body, so if you're ready to get started, come join me at the end of the mat. We're starting the same way that we have for all of our body burn workouts by reaching up high. And for a moment, just take a big stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, let's bring our hands down and walk it forward, find a plank, and walk it back. So we're just gonna start with a few plank walkouts to build a little heat. It's only 10 minutes, so we don't need to take 5 minutes for a warm up. We're going to start actively working as we warm up. All right, keep those going. Walk it out and bring it back. One more time like that. Good. All right, we're gonna walk it out one more time and we're gonna hold that plank there. So come and hold it here. We've got our plank. We're gonna step one leg up to the outside of the hand. So find a big step and then bring it back. Do that on the other side. A big step and back. Now, hey, if your leg is not going all the way up there, maybe just bring a knee or stop wherever that foot stops and bring it back. But as you get going, as we build more flexibility, we're gonna get that up a little bit further. Keep that going. Hold that plank, step, and back, step, and back. Do you guys feel your upper body getting a little warmer? Me too. Right away. Good. Keep going. Step it up, and back. One more each side. Last one. Good. Walk those hands back. And we're coming up. Reach your hands up. We're gonna squat back, reach down and up, lift your heels down and up. This right here is gonna prepare us for our cardio burst, which is gonna be a vertical jump, basically a squat and a jump. But right now, as we're still warming up, we're just lifting our heels. And also, I want you to know that this is an option you can take if you want to, if you don't wanna head off the ground. Down and up. And when we find that squat, notice with your eyes, knees stay over top of the feet. 4 more. Lift it up. 3. Good work. 2 and 1. All right. Before we walk out again, take it nice and wide. Legs are wide. We'll bring some burn. Bring it down and find a plie squat. So feet are wide. Toes and knees are turned out to the corners. Bring your hands to your heart. Find a little pulse. Pulse right there. So burn comes from those isometric holds in these workouts. That means that we're staying still, or maybe we've got these tiny little pulses that really bring that burn. Do you feel it? Yes, me too. Reach and pulse. Good work. Abs are embraced. We're staying nice and lifted here. Keep going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good work. 2 and 1. Come up and take a step back. All right, from the top, let's reach our hands up and walk. This time, for fun, let's add a push-up because why not? We're here. And then walk it back. Reach it up. You don't have to do the push-up if you don't want to, but maybe you want to. Good. Keep going. Reach it up and back. We're gonna do one more like that. Good work. And back. Okay. Bring it back. We're gonna walk it back out one more time to that plank. Let's go. Walk that out. Hold your plank here. Same leg step up, but this time reach in and back. We're gonna open, reach in and back. Good. Remember, if your foot doesn't go up there and if it doesn't feel good to reach your hand, just take that reach out of it. Stay with how you did in that first round. Good. Keep going. Bring it up. One more each side. Good work. Nice. Last one here. All right, we're gonna walk it back. Here we go. Walk those hands back. All right, option. Lift your heels if you want, or keep your heels on the ground. We're going down and up. Little hops here. So it's a squat and a jump. Cardio burst. And then we're gonna get back to those isometric holds and those pulses. Keep going down and up. All right, tempo is yours. Take it slow, or maybe start to pick it up. Take it a little faster. 8 more. 7, keep reaching. 6, you got it. 5, 4, almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Step out wide. Friends, let's find that plie squat. Sink it down, hold. Don't move, just breathe. Is your heart rate up? Yes. I hope it's not just me. Hands are at the heart. Can you sink it down a little more? Staying lifted, we're not leaning forward. Your eyes are looking straight forward there. Good. Add that pulse, that slow burn. Whew, it's a beautiful thing. Keep this going. Little pulse. You're doing amazing work right now. Keep that going. Just 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, good. 2, 1, stand up, step it back. You know where we're going? Reach your hands up, hands down. Walk it out. Did you have a push-up before? Let's do it again. Walk it back. Reach it up. Again. Walk it out. Down. Couple more like that. It's a warm-up. It's a workout. It is all good things. One more like that. Okay, let's bring it back. Go ahead and find that plank one more time. Here we go. Walk it out. Hold your plank. Now, you have the option to step like we did, or I've got another option for you. Both. Little squat, hands down, and back. Both. Little squat, hands down, and up. So, it's a half frog burpee. Keep going. That is the option, or remember, you can be here as an option that we just did. So choose whichever one feels good. We've got 2 more to go. Little squat. Last one. All right, find that plank. Walk it back. Stand up. Reach your hands. Down and up. Cardio burst. Bringing it here. You choose. Heels or heels off the ground along with the rest of your foot. Keep going. Lift up and up. Vertical jump. All about how high can you go here. Land softly, bending those knees. Keep that going. We've got 5, 4, good work. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Step it out wide. All right, sink it down. You're in your final burner. This one's gonna be a little longer, but I want you to know, when you're done with it, no more. Yes. Relax the shoulders, lift your chest. Now I'm a little high. What about you? Can you go down a little more? Yeah, me too. Little pulse, pulse. Good job. Breathe here. 10 minutes. I love 10-minute workouts. When I just feel not energized. Like I don't really want to work out, but I know it's gonna make me feel better. That's what this workout does. Does it do it for you too? And hey, you're getting stronger, 100%. You're lifting your heart rate, getting stronger lungs. Yes, so much good stuff. Good. Do you feel like you're pushing in your toes? Scale that more into your heels. Wiggle your toes a little bit. Hold right there. Lift and lower. So we're alternating those heel lifts. That side, down, yes. Keep going. Let's reach our hands. And while we're alternating those lifts, can you drop your butt a little lower? It's just a little bit, but it brings a lot. Keep going. Lift and down. We've got 4. Almost there. 3. Yes. 2 and 1. Stand up. You've made it. Whoo! Shake out your legs. How do you feel? Leg strength, bonus push-ups, cardio blast, heart rate is up. I hope you feel amazing. Grab a hold of your ankle. Release through those quads, which worked so hard in this quick 10-minute workout. All right, knees close together. Open up your chest. Reach your arm out and just hold that there. Maybe you can open a little wider with your arm. Give yourself a little shoulder and chest stretch. Release that and switch. Grab the other foot. Woo. Don't do that. Hold that there, find that balance. You would think with all the yoga that we do on this channel, balance would be on point all the time, but this is real life. Real life falling happens. If you fall, you're just like me. We both fall together. Just want to fall gracefully when we do. Okay, release that. Step out nice and wide here. Good. Take a big stretch up and reach that over. And on the other side, reach it up and over. Good work. We are going to step it in, roll those shoulders. And friends, you are all done. A round of applause for you. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you like this workout. 10 minutes, amazing. I'm gonna link to the other two 10-minute body burn workouts that we've had so far. Another one is coming next week, 4 for 4 in May. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I can't wait to work out with you.